The Teraflex HD differential cover for the Dana 30 axle that includes both the drain plug and all the hardware is for those of you that have a 1987 and up Wrangler that are looking to swap out the differential cover on that Dana 30 for something that is stronger than the factory option. If you do some really hard wheeling, there's always a chance that you're going to peel back that factory differential cover, letting all of the oil out on the ground and ruining your day pretty quickly. So adding something that is much stronger and beefier like this option is going to help protect against that. This is going to be an easy part to install. Of course, anytime you remove your differential cover, you are going to have to refill the differential and also reseal this. So there's that work, but because this comes with all of your bolts and your drain plugs, it's going to be an easy 1 out of 3 wrench install in less than an hour. And we will talk more about that in just a second. If you're looking to beef up your differential area, you can install a skid plate or you can install a stronger cover like this. Now, skid plate will often have something to help you slide over rocks so that you're not going to get hung up as much on the differential, where a cover is just going to be that, just a stronger cover. So really up to you what option you're looking for. And when it comes to covers, there are some that are a little bit fancier than others. ARB, for instance, makes an option that comes with a dipstick built into it, and of course that's going to be a more expensive option. This is going to be a little bit more moderately priced than that because it has a few less features, but it's still going to be very strong and definitely a lot beefier than that factory diff cover. As far as construction goes, this is just going to be a big hunk of iron covered in a powder coat finish. This is all about strength, so it's going to be nice and thick. As I said in the beginning, this version does come with the plug for the drain and the fill, and also all of your bolts, which makes the install very, very simple. This is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrench installation, less than an hour to get this installed. All you have to do is remove the bolts to remove your factory differential cover. Of course, you want to catch that differential fluid in a pan, scrape off the gasket material on the differential itself. You want to make sure that that area is nice and clean, and then put some gasket maker either directly onto the differential or onto the cover, maybe even onto both. I usually like to put it on the differential, let things set up a little bit. You don't want to let that completely dry, but let it set just a bit. Put your differential cover on and torque all of the bolts down. Once that's done, you can let the gasket maker completely set up, completely cure, and then fill your differential before installing the plugs. This diff cover is going to run you right around $90. I do think that's going to be pretty fair for what you're getting here. It's going to be a nice strong piece. As I said before, you can get some options with even additional features built into them that are going to be more expensive, and you can get a factory style steel replacement diff cover for much less, but I think this is going to be a nice middle of the road option from a price standpoint, and I still think you're getting a very high quality piece. So if you're looking for a stronger than factory differential cover for your Dana 30, I definitely recommend taking a look at this option from Teraflex, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.